Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna share with you with the receipt for Bulletproof coffee. Bulletproof coffee, it's a kind of coffee which helps with any type of low carb diet, especially for a keto diet. You can use it as a one meal, so it helps to skip one meal a day. I drink it every day. I don't look like a person on a diet, but you'll see the results soon. What is that? It's a coffee with butter and coconut oil. It sounds weird, but it's very good, very delicious. When I drink it in the morning, I don't feel a hunger for 7, 8, sometimes 10 hours. So it's really good, even for people who don't have a time to eat the breakfast. So what we need a mug of hot coffee, yeah, the type of coffee you like the most, like a filter coffee, it can be the instant coffee, whatever. And we need to pour it into a jug. We add a big spoon of butter. There can be 2 teaspoons. This one is a bit bigger than a teaspoon, so big spoon of butter. And a smaller amount, that's the coconut oil. Put it together into a jug. And we use the blender to mix it properly, to blend it properly. And one piece of advice, if you ever use it, use the tall vessel, put the blender to the bottom and keep it on the bottom. Don't ever try to move it like that during the mixing, because it will cause a splash of the hot coffee everywhere and you may be scalded with that. So keep it pressed to the bottom, and let's start. Be careful of the noise, turn down your volume. Ha! Or maybe some electricity. There you go. As you see, it turns into a pretty nice color, like a latte. Looks like that. I use the same mug as before. It's lovely and it's really nice in the taste. It tastes like a very mild coffee with a hint of coconut. Cheers. Delicious. If you want to make it at work, for example, during your lunch break or something, you may use just your thermo mug, put some hot coffee and all the ingredients inside, close it tightly and just shake, and it will be almost as good as that. Another thing I want to show you is such a kind of mixer. You can have it with you in your pocket or in your backpack or wherever, and use it just to mix the coffee at work from the butter, coconut oil, and coffee. So that's the receipt. You can use it especially when you're on a keto diet. It helps you to prolong the time between your last meal yesterday and your first meal today, and that will help you with the intermittent fasting. So enjoy, like, share, subscribe. See you soon.